Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician. There's a lot of times I will get people that ask questions such as, what is a way that I can test my dryer to see if it works? Well, one of the ways I like to use is when I walk into the house, the first thing I do is I pull this little lint trap out. This is a brand new dryer, just recently purchased, and the homeowner is still not drying clothes. So I like to take a little piece of lint like this, and then I put it right here. And when I drop it, see how it blows back and it's blowing out of the vent? That's an indication that there's not an opening for it to suck through. So the dryer air should go down this way and go out your vent. Well, this is back pressuring back up into it. See how it just stays right there? It's not even sucking in. Now, after I clean this, I will shoot another video and I will show you how it sucks in. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you.